Hi everyone, my name is Leslie Weaver. I am from the Chatham County UGA Extension Office. I am your County Family Consumer Science and EFNEP Agent. And today we are going to do a recipe on green cleaning supplies. I know with the pandemic, it's hard to find some cleaning supplies and maybe you really don't want to get out and you want to utilize some things in the house. So we can do that. In honor of Earth Day, I thought it would be great to do this and kind of recycle some items that we have already around. So let's get into it. I'm going to start with the all-purpose cleaner, and with that we're just going to use basic things: white vinegar, baking soda or washing soda, vegetable oil, have that, and basic liquid soap that you wash your dishes with. Here it is, okay? So let's get started. We're going to start with 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. 1. And I'm recycling an old empty spray bottle that I had. 2. And 3, okay? Now we're going to use just a half teaspoon of baking soda. And this really can go on how much you plan to use and how much you think you're going to need. Okay. Then we're going to do a half teaspoon of vegetable oil. Okay. And it says 2 cups of hot water. So I poured some hot water and boiled some. Pour some in my measuring cup here. 2 cups. And let's not forget to add a half teaspoon of just liquid dish detergent. Very simple, inexpensive, and you're already using the things that you have around the house. Place on, mix it up, and you're ready to go. And it smells great, and it's light, okay? So there we have it. All purpose. Could be done on your countertops, could be done on your stove. Just wipe things down on your kitchen table in the kitchen. There you go. All right. Our next one, we are going to do a fragrant kitchen cleanser, okay? Sometimes we like to buy things and make the kitchen smell good, lemony, limey, zesty. So we're going to just do that here, okay? We're going to start off with 2 tablespoons. I'm going to wipe it off. Wipe off our spoon a bit. 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Okay. I'm going to do 2 cups of water for this. I'm going to do a half cup. Oh, just add a cup. It asks for a pint, so it's up to you. And 4 drops of essential oil. So sometimes we pick up oils from like Dollar General or Home Goods that we put in tea candles to smell the house good. But if you don't have essential oil, use things that you have. I have a lime, so I'm just going to squeeze my lime. Actually, I'm going to squeeze it inside of here. My measuring cup. And that way I can just pour it right on in. Great inexpensive ways and crafty ways to clean. All right, that lime juice is going in, okay? And all together, put our top on. Uh-oh. And there you have it, and it smells great, okay? I hope these recipes can get you through this pandemic or just every day. If you're sick of using bleach or strong cleaning products, think of something a little lighter to light it up, especially if you have little kids in the house. This could be great. I hope you guys enjoy, and happy Earth Day.